We know how to write to the database robustly, but the question is, how do we read robustly? Sounds easier, and it is. In that case, we do something very similar to what we did for the insert case. We once again retry each read, and on an auto reconnect error, we simply sleep and retry again. And that should work just fine in this case. You'll notice we don't need to deal with the duplicate key exception, and the reason is that duplicate key exceptions only happen when you're inserting. It's about violating a key constraint in the collection, and you can't violate a key constraint by reading the documents. So this should work pretty well. Let's try it out and just see it in action. So I'm going to run readrobustly.py, which is going to start reading these documents that we inserted before. And now I'm going to step down the primary, and I actually figured out where the primary was off camera. Save us a little time. So now I just step down the primary, and then I'll go back here, and we see that, there we go. So we see that what happened is that we were reading along, and then we got an auto reconnect error, and then we waited a little bit, and then we continued forward and were able to find the additional documents. So we didn't lose any documents: 145, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So this is how you read robustly to a replica set when you could have auto reconnect errors because of failover. All right, time for a quick quiz. Here's the quiz. Why don't you need to handle a duplicate key exception for reads? The driver handles that for you. In the event that you present the duplicate key, the database will still return the right value. The database server handles that for you, or the duplicate key exceptions are impossible when reading.